When using Excel, there will be many times when you need to duplicate or transfer values from one cell to another. The cut, copy, and paste features help us to do this with ease and will become second nature very quickly. We can access all three features using the commands in the clipboard group in our Home ribbon right here. We can also access them by right-clicking on cells. Let's get to know how each of these commands work by filling in this table with the information on the left. If you want to copy a cell, as always, click on it to select it first. Now to copy, either right-click and select Copy, or just click on Copy in the ribbon, whatever you find more convenient. Now when you copy a cell, a dynamic border will appear around it as if it's flashing. This means that the cell has been successfully copied to your clipboard and Excel is holding onto this information and ready to paste it elsewhere. Now click on the cell you want to paste into and then click Paste, either here in the ribbon or again by right-clicking. Your cell will be duplicated completely in terms of value and format. On this note, the keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste are perhaps the most widely used keyboard shortcuts of all. To copy data, we can use Ctrl+C, and to paste data, we can use Ctrl+V. Now, of course, we can also highlight multiple cells to copy and paste them at the same time. Let's just do it right here. Now let's try cutting a cell instead of copying it. To cut a cell, click on it and select Cut. The same dynamic dotted border will appear, indicating that your cell has been successfully cut. Then, follow the same steps we just learned to paste this cell elsewhere. Have you noticed what the difference between cut and copy is? The copy function duplicates your cell in a new location and the original cell remains as is, while cut duplicates your cell but then deletes the original cell. In case you have cut or copied a cell and no longer wish to paste it anywhere, you can stop this process by just clicking the Escape key and you will see that the dotted border disappears. It's also good to note that when nothing is copied to Excel's clipboard, the Paste button in the ribbon will appear grey and unclickable. Paste functions will also be grayed out if you right-click on a cell, telling you that nothing is currently cut or copied.